Hello. Today we will discuss the benefits of lemon juice and extra virgin olive oil. These two amazing healing foods, when combined together, can do amazing things for your health. Just 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, with just a few drizzles of fresh lemon juice. First thing in the morning on an empty stomach will spark some amazing changes within your body. Lemons are loaded with vitamin C and the antioxidants, which help to protect cells from those damaging free radicals. So look at a lemon as a cleanser in order for these metabolic changes to occur in your body through your organs. Your tissues, your glands, your hormones and your enzymes need to be cleaned out every so often, and by cleansing the lymphatic system, the liver, as well as the digestive system, doing this will help accelerate good health throughout your system. Using extra virgin olive oil can do more than you ever could imagine. These monounsaturated fatty acids, the oleic acid has amazing antioxidant effects. The extra virgin olive oil and the lemon juice will help reduce heart disease, as well as reduces clogging of those arteries by increasing the HDL cholesterol, which searches for the bad cholesterol, the LDLs that causes plaquing. This will help reduce that bad cholesterol, bringing it back to the liver, so it can be excreted out of the body. And this can actually help prevent the formation of gallstones. Lemons are best for preventing kidney stone formation due to its citric acid content. Drinking this first thing in the morning will have positive effects on your blood sugar level and insulin sensitivity. It may even help to ward off type 2 diabetes by improving glucose metabolism, which in turn will improve the effectiveness of insulin. Many people think that olive oil is fattening and will help you gain weight. That's not true. Olive oil has a positive effect on your hormones. It will leave you feeling more satisfied, as it will also help slow down the digestion of your stomach, emptying into your small intestine, which directly helps your glucose and insulin levels. Studies have shown, by lubricating the inside of the intestines, this can actually help reduce gastritis and peptic ulcers. The anti-inflammatory factors in olive oil can help reduce inflammation of chronic intestinal problems. It can also help protect you against some types of heart diseases or even a stroke. 1 teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil, drizzled with fresh lemon juice. Every morning on an empty stomach, waiting about 20 to 30 minutes before you eat, will help your body work as a natural inflammatory. It can help protect against insulin resistance, reduce heart problems and diabetes. It can also help your cardiovascular system, reduces high blood pressure, improves blood cholesterol levels, assists in weight loss, boosts your metabolism, improves digestion, helps in the aging process, and may even slow down osteoporosis. It can help to prevent gallstones, strengthens the cell walls, and can fight mood disorders and depression. You will be amazed what these two healing foods can do for your health.